So now we're ready to plant seeds, and I like to make little greenhouses out of old salad containers because sometimes if I'm not growing lettuce or salad greens, I have to buy them, and I like to get these large containers of salad greens, and then I save these plastics, and they're perfect for the seed starting cups. So all you have to do is fill your cups with your seed starting mix, and then choose the seeds that you want to put in there. I'm getting ready to start my summer garden, so I'm going to do a pepper, an eggplant, a couple of tomatoes, and I have some Italian basil seeds. So I'm going to get these into this pot. I'll do a little water, and I just water down the sides so that the bottom and then the paper and the soil in there wicks it up, and then I put the lid on top, and it creates a little water cycle because it raises to the top and then it rains back down on my little plants. So these should be up in about a few days, really, most of them. Okay.